unbelievably humble? Who's the guy who rolls the dice? And gambles with his life. Who is your favorite fearless hero? Who is your favorite fearless hero? Unbelievably humble. Who's ever been touched by a wave? Who's your boots is snapping afraid? Who is your favorite fearless hero? Who is your favorite fearless hero? Who is your favorite fearless hero? Who is your favorite fearless hero?
Puss in Boots and Kitty Softpaws have a Tuesday dance battle at the Milk Club. They battle with a flamenco-inspired dance-off. We used a line dance, Paso Doble, for this epic dance battle. Additionally, we put it in a line dance format. Dulcinea from The Adventures of Puss in Boots demonstrated the easy version. Kitty Softpaws demonstrated the full version. Have fun learning the Puss in Boots Paso Doble. Remember to like and subscribe to our line and check out all our videos at www.adventuresindance.com. Step 1, the 8-count surplase. 8 plants, 8 steps, marching in place towards the balls of your feet. Begin with your right foot. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 2, apell and 3-step turn to the left. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 3, Spanish taps, walking with a natural forward side back, and then step, tap, tap, then repeat with the left foot. Walk across, back, tap, step, tap, tap, step, tap. Walk side, back, tap, walk, tap, tap, back, tap. Step 5, forward together, drag, close. Looks like this. Forward, close, drag, close. Step 6, separation and close. 4 surplase in place, separate for 4, return for 4. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Apell, back, back, close for 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 7, syncopated points. Close point, hold, hold, close point, hold, hold. Step 8, step, point, hold. Step, point, step, hold, step, point, step, hold. Step 9, rock across and chasse. Forward, replace, triple step, forward, replace, and triple step. Repeat from the beginning, turning 8-count surplase 180 degrees to face the back wall. Looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Repeat from the beginning.
Who's brave and ready for trouble? Who's so unbelievably humble? Who's the guy who rolls the dice? I've got Puss with his sleigh. Who is your favorite fearless hero? Who is your favorite fearless hero?
Puss in Boots had two girlfriends, an early one, Dulcinea, and later Kitty Softpaws. So in Puss's first lives, when he was not as experienced, he met Dulcinea. So we are doing a simpler form of the Puss in Boots Paso Doble for the earlier Puss with his early lives girlfriend, Dulcinea. Dulcinea surplase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 2, 4 walks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Spanish taps simplified to 1 tap. Forward right, side left, back right, tap, walk, tap, walk, tap, forward, side, back, tap, walk, tap, walk, tap. Surplase and separation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step and taps, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Step taps. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. Rocks and chasse. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Turning around to repeat from beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Who's brave and ready for trouble? Who's so unbelievably humble? Who's the guy who rolls the dice? I've got Puss with his sleigh. Who is your favorite fearless hero? Who is your favorite fearless hero?
Dance-offs are so exciting. Puss in Boots and Kitty Softpaws do a highly entertaining dance-off in both of their movies. Latin-inspired music and fancy footwork make this fabulous. This inspired me to produce this Puss in Boots Paso Doble line dance how-to. Stories of animal helpers are an ancient idea that cross all cultures. The first published version of Puss in Boots was an Italian tale called Caglioso, written in 1550. This animal helper is a female fairy cat who helped her master gain fame and fortune. By 1679, Charles Perrault published Puss in Boots as a tomcat committed to helping his master, the miller's son, get the gold and the girl. Ironically for me, I adopted the miller's cat. She got the boy and lived happily ever after. The Shrek's Puss in Boots is heavily influenced by Don Quixote. He is a cavalier fellow who fights for chivalrous love. He is in love with adventure and helping others. The DreamWorks Adventures of Puss in Boots is spaghetti Western style. In this series of short adventures, Puss has feelings for Dulcinea. Dulcinea, meaning sweetness, is the made-up name of the woman that Don Quixote is infatuated with. The same name is used for the sweet kitty protecting San Lorenzo that Puss tries to protect from thieves. After many adventures, Puss must leave San Lorenzo to protect it. He leaves Dulcinea behind with her village to ride off into the sunset, remembering her only as a dream or unrequited love. Kitty Softpaws is the romantic interest of the feature film Puss in Boots. She is a clever thief who also sports boots. Very likely a throwback to the original Italian Puss in Boots. In the Italian-speaking word, cunning is usually attached to a female cat. As Puss says, "Kitty, you are not as good as they say. You are better." She is a well-groomed cat who is no damsel in distress. This clever kitty keeps her cool in tense situations as well as her sense of humor. According to DreamWorks, her mask was inspired by Batman. Kitty's talents were inspired by Batman's love interest, Catwoman. The Paso Doble has roots in the fandango. This saucy folk dance was done by early gypsies. Fandango was banned in 1776. It was associated with disorder and rebellion. Once it could no longer be repressed in Spain, the fandango became an influencer for flamenco, tango, and paso doble. Some historians claim the paso doble music dates back to Spain in 1780. A French march dance called the paso redouble developed around the same time. By the 1800s, paso doble music was used by bullfighters as they entered the ring. It resurfaced in southern France by the border to Spain in the 1920s, featuring the bullfighter and his cape as the theme for the dance. Puss in Boots and Kitty Softpaws have a Tuesday dance battle at the Milk Club named the Litter Blocks. They battle with a flamenco-inspired dance-off. We used a line dance paso doble for this epic dance battle. Additionally, we put it in a line dance format. We were privileged to film at Kate's Wine Bar in historic downtown Littleton. This historic location at 5671 South Nevada Street was originally a bank and still has the bank vault door in the corner to the basement. Longtime patrons Darren and Amber Hammond seized the opportunity to purchase the bar after COVID. They have been delighting patrons with their warm and friendly ways since. Stop in for a sip and a trip back in time at www.kateswinebar.com. Have fun learning the Puss in Boots Paso Doble. Remember to like and subscribe to our line and check out all our videos at www.adventuresindance.com.